Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Falguni and I make videos on fashion, skincare, makeup, DIYs and a lot more. So today's video is all about my top 10 favorite lipstick shades for light to medium Indian skin tones. So without further ado, let's just get started with the video. So the first shade, and probably the shade that I almost wear every day for office, before quarantine of course, is the Nykaa lipstick in the shade Janvi. Now this is a very beautiful everyday wear lipstick with a pink undertone. Now I used to have a mini version of this earlier, but I ran out of it and I went for the bigger one, the full size one. And what I noticed is that the mini version is more on the neutral side. I don't know why do they have this color difference, but the mini lipstick is more on neutral or brown side, I would say. But this typically is has a pink undertone to it. And apart from that, the mini version I felt was a little bit more matte, whereas this one is a little bit more glossy, and I kind of like it. It's not the bad type of glossy, it's a good type of glossy. And even oily skin types can wear this. Even though it's a little bit glossy, it doesn't look too bad on oily skin types. The second lipstick that I'm sharing is the one that I'm wearing right now, and it's by Colorbar. It's their Matte Me As I Am lipstick in the shade Leap 03. Now, Calabar, I feel, is one of the most underrated makeup brands in India. Their quality is superb, like it's incredible, and I would agree that they're a little bit more pricier than the competitors, but the quality that it offers is incredible, guys. So this is a packaging of the lip crayon, and when you open it, you get the lip crayon as well as a sharpener with that. The sharpener is also of really great quality, by the way, and it glides on like so smoothly. It's damn pigmented. I feel again it's a really nice everyday wearable shade. The third lipstick I have for you is by Lakme. It's from their 9 to 5 range, and the lipstick name is Maple Map, and this again is a really beautiful brown shade. The best thing about this lipstick is that it lasts really long, even through your lunch. Like if you are going to office and you're wearing this, it will last you through your lunch. In fact, throughout the day, I think you will only have to top it up for about one time, not more than that. Again, this lipstick glides on very easily, and although the name of this lipstick says that it's prime plus matte, the finish is not really matte. It has a sheen to it, and I don't mind that. It looks really pretty on me, and I'm sure it will look pretty on you too. So yeah, this is another lipstick shade that I really like. The next lipstick here is by My Glam from their Manish Malhotra collection, and it is in the shade Barely Nude. Now this lipstick glides on like butter. It's so damn pigmented, it glides on easily, and it also has a sheen to it. The packaging is amazing, like it feels so heavy and luxurious. I know it is a little bit more pricier, but the quality is amazing. The fifth lipstick that I have for you is again from Nykaa. It's from their So Matte collection, and I have the mini version over here. The shade is Top Thrill, and again this is a very light nudish brown sort of a color. It does not last really long, to be honest. It will go on for around 3 to 4 hours, after which you will have to reapply. But again, this is a really beautiful shade, and you can get minis in this one. I think this cost me around 200 rupees during the sale. The next lipstick that I have for you is by Maybelline from their Color Sensational Creamy Mattes. Now these lipsticks are really amazing, and the shade that I have for you here is Clay Crush. I saw this in Shreya Jain's video and it looked really pretty on her. I think we both share the same skin tone and foundation shades. So it looked pretty on her, so I went ahead and bought this. Again, it glides on smoothly, lasts for a little longer than the Nykaa one. It lasts for about 6 hours, after which you'll have to touch up. And the finish, as you can see, is not matte at all. It's like creamy and has a sort of sheen to it. The seventh lipstick that I have for you here. Okay, by the way, we are done with all the nudes and browns. Now coming to more berry and plum shades, I have the Oriflame The One lipstick in the shade, okay, hold on, it's Cranberry Blush. It's a very beautiful cranberry kind of a shade with a purple undertone to it. Again, you can wear this on an everyday basis, or I usually like to wear this at dinner. Yeah, it's again a really beautiful shade. It glides on easily and it does stay for a little while. You'll have to touch up after like 3 to 4 hours, and it wouldn't last you through dinner. It's just that it's such a pretty shade. I like to wear it, but it does come off while having food. So the eighth lipstick that I have for you is by Blue Heaven, their Elegance Matte Lip Color Collection, and the shade here is 05. This again is a plum like vampy shade. And Blue Heaven again is another Indian brand which is very underrated. The products are good, they are pretty affordable. This retails only for 105 rupees. I got this for 105 rupees from Nykaa, and the quality is also decent. It's good enough. Now jumping on to reds, the first lipstick that I have in red is by NYX. It's their soft matte lip cream in the shade Monte Carlo. Now again, I'm not a big fan of reds and I usually do not try out more red lipsticks, so there might be options available in the market which are better than this, but the ones that I've tried out and have quite worked for me, I'm just recommending you that. So this is the shade, and as you know, like NYX soft matte lip creams are really famous. Their quality is pretty good, and if you do not want to invest so much money in this, I'm pretty sure you can find a similar shade in the Miss Claire soft matte lipstick range. It's sort of a dupe for NYX lipsticks and they are pretty cheap and affordable. Last but not the least, I have the NYX Powder Puff lipstick in the shade Group Love. This is a very nice bright red lipstick and I wouldn't really dare wear it on everyday basis, but I feel it works really well when you have something white to wear. It goes really well on that. But apart from that, of course, if you're comfortable, you can wear it on other colors as well. I prefer to wear it on white clothes and it just looks fabulous. So guys, I hope you at least found one lipstick for yourself over here. If you did, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, and also please do share it with your friends if you think this will be helpful to them. And I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.